Executive has the power
so when
to
he
do that.
when you signed dito sa ICC, you were signing as what?
As the Interpol and Interpol NCB Manila representative. Your
Ang
Honor.
nakalagay po dito, you're signing as in behalf of the Republic of the Philippines, not as Interpol.
Kasi po nung that time, yung representative ng ICC na kausap ko, naka-print na po yung,
Yeah,
yung
so,
government. So,
Sir,
but it
are you a
was-
college graduate?
Yes, sir.
No. Any college graduate, pag pinapirma ka tapos mali, kahit printed, you'd cross it out. Then you would put. So pag nakalagay doon, Alang Cayetano, congressman, pipirma ako o i-cross out ko yung congressman, lalagay ko senator. Kung nakalagay doon, Alang Cayetano, single, may asawa na ako. Hindi ako papagalitan ng asawa ko. Kung hindi ko i-cross out, lalagay ko doon na ano. Di ba? So wag tayong magpilosopohan dito. So why did you sign in behalf of the Philippine government if you weren't representing the government and you were representing Interpol?
Medyo mataas na ho kasi yung ano noon pagod na din kami. Tapos ang request ng ICC staff that time nagre-request sila na kunin na ng medical team. Hindi ho kasi ma-perform yung medical assistance to the former president. Yun ho yung dahilan yan.
Ang dahilan, pagod kayo?
Hindi po, nagkakagulo na din ho nun. Mataas na din po yung sitwasyon.
Pakisabi ng totoo.
Opo,
We are
ma'am.
all under oath.
Yes, ma'am. Ang mataas na rin.
Paliwanag mong maigi. Representative ka ba ng Pilipinas or representative ng Interpol? Pipili ka lang.
Nirepresent ko po ang Interpol NCB Manila.
So mali itong papel na to.
Ah,
Sabihin mo sa akin.
Yun hong...
Kasi nag-iiba. Isa
Kasi
sinungaling,
po,
isa totoo.
Yun ho, clear ho sa
Ma'am,
ICC.
Pwede kong linawin lang.
Hindi, siguro hayaan muna natin. Hayaan natin na ipaliwanag. Alam naman niya
Alam ho kasi ng malinaw ho sa pag-uusap namin ng ICC staff na I represent the Interpol NCB Manila.
Pero hindi maliwanag dito sa nakasulat. Government of the Republic of the Philippines.
It's part of the government, ma'am. I'm sorry.
Hindi, Interpol Sabi niya, nandun siya bilang Interpol
Ma'am, Madam Chair, yung Interpol po kasi, the Interpol NCB Manila, it's under the Philippine government.
Sorry, Mama. Kasi if that's your interpretation, then the government cooperated with ICC.